In today's video, we're going to find out just how responsive the PK Grills PK360 is to temperature changes. Hey family, I hope you're well wherever you are and you got that thin blue smoke rolling. In today's video, I'm going to run a test burn in the PK Grills PK360, and my goal here is to find out just how responsive the grill is to temperature adjustments. What I mean is, I'm going to be watching this temperature gauge here, and I'm going to watch how quickly it responds as I adjust the vents. That'll give me a good idea of how I'm going to go about using it in low and slow barbecue. To do that, I'm going to set it up for indirect cooking. That is, I'm going to have the charcoal on the far side, and if I was cooking, I'd have the meat on this side closest to me. Alright, so the way I'm going to do this is really quite simple. I've loaded up one side under the hinged grill here with some Heatbeads Lump Charcoal. I'm going to light that up, I'm going to let that fully ash over. Then I'm going to close the lid, I'm going to leave both vents fully open, and I'm going to watch how long it takes for the thermometer to settle at a temperature. Let's get into it. Okay, so that's taken just under 2 minutes after I've closed the lid for that to settle at steady at just under 400 Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do now, the next part of the experiment, I'm going to close this top vent and this bottom vent, and I'm going to see how long it takes to drop down to 275 and level out at 275. Okay, so it's taken about 25 minutes for that to drop from 400 to about 280. So I'm pretty happy with that altogether, considering that was fresh, raging hot charcoal. If I was doing something like a minion method, that would turn out quite differently. Alrighty folks, the PK Grills PK360 has been just humming along at 275 all day. You get those vents dialed in and it just sits there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to open it up. I've just put a few extra little bits of charcoal in because it's been a couple hours. I'm going to open it right up and see how fast it gets up to 350. Alright, so here we are, we're at 350 already. That's taken about 7 minutes to get there. That is really impressive, and it shows just how sensitive to touch the PK Grills PK360 is to the slightest manipulations of the air vents here. So that's a wrap for this video. So far today we've seen how it rises to temperature, how it holds temperature, how we can throttle it down, and how fast it'll throttle back up again. Highly recommend this barbecue if you're looking for something that's going to be easy to use and responsive to touch. Till next time, take care of each other and keep on queuing.